small kitchen is not everyone's choice, but sometimes, due to lack of space, you have to go with it. On the other hand, some people just don't want to waste floor space in kitchens. That's why they build small kitchens. You'll be surprised at the hidden advantages of a kitchen with a smaller layout. But no matter the size of your kitchen, the most important thing is that it works well for you. The size of a kitchen varies from home to home. Although this may be true, it's really a matter of preference. Kitchens are an important part of any living space. In fact, they are often considered the heart of a home where the family members tend to spend time creating memories together. As one of the most important rooms in the entire house, they deserve special consideration. When it comes to kitchen, some may believe that the bigger they are, the better they'll perform. But there are some benefits of having a small kitchen, even though the size of your home is big enough to accommodate a large kitchen. Efficient and ergonomic kitchen design. When many builders and designers tend to create a large kitchen so that they can accommodate more things inside, a properly designed small kitchen layout should mean that you are maximally efficient in the kitchen. The efficiency is produced by ensuring that each of the movements can have a purpose. In small kitchen designs, space can be so efficiently utilized that only one or two steps in any direction brings you to a critical appliances, tool, or ingredient. When considering how to produce the most out of a small kitchen, ask yourself a simple question like, where will commonly used items and ingredients be stored? Would I prefer to frequently reach high or squat to access dishes, utensils, and appliances? What kitchen station, for example, sink, fridge, food prep, do I want to be accessible from which other part of the kitchen? A small kitchen means that you can cook faster. You know exactly where you save the equipment. Your cooking time will be more efficient since you can reach the refrigerator within seconds and come back to your stove. Everything has a place. Those with less space in their kitchen must become very good at space management. This means that every single item in the kitchen has a specific place and some tools might serve more than one purpose. Also, less food is wasted. While your refrigerator and freezer might not be necessarily be smaller in a smaller kitchen, your pantry space most likely is. The smaller space for storing food means that what food you do have will get used up faster. It also means that you are less likely to forget or lose track of what you have in your pantry or your refrigerator. Less space for storage also pushes you to only purchase the groceries you will need for a week, since there won't be much rooms to stock large quantities of anything. Another benefit is less clutter. Having a smaller kitchen with less available storage means you will only be able to keep what you need. Some people prefer a more minimal style with fewer belongings and fewer opportunities for clutter. A small kitchen will also help you focus more on the quality rather than the quantity of your kitchen supply. With a small kitchen, you may come to realize that you don't need fancy appliances or multiple kinds of measuring cups to cook delicious food. A small kitchen can be just as functional and organized as a large kitchen. A smaller space is easier to clean up for the simple fact that there are fewer surfaces to wipe down and organize. After a tiring afternoon of slaving over the stove, cleaning up after yourself is the most tedious part of the entire cooking process. Luckily, having a smaller area may mean less for you to wash up. Having a smaller kitchen means that you probably don't have to wipe down much counters. You will have less floor to mop and fewer pots to toss into the dishwasher. Small kitchen is less costly to furnish and finish. Usually, the kitchen requires the most money to renovate. A smaller space can effectively drive down your cost. With less space to finish and furnish, you will have more money to spend on premium materials and products. You know how to maximize every square inch. What some see as an empty wall or dead corner, you see as an opportunity. You're hardwired now to make the most of every bit of every available space in your kitchen, from using the walls for storage to doubling up your interior cabinet space. You don't even let the space on those cabinet doors go to waste. Small kitchens have their perks. They are easy to maintain and operate. Small kitchens do not have to be the bane of your existence. If you organize your kitchen to work for you and not against you, then you will be enjoying having a small kitchen and getting a little closer to your family. The kitchen design of all our villa homes are meticulously planned to be efficient as well as ergonomic designs which offer maximum space and ambience.